So this is my first makeup tutorial. It is not even a tutorial, so why am I lying? This is my first, girl, I'm doing my makeup in front of the camera because this is what I feel like doing. Yeah, so we're just gonna do anything. I'm going to freestyle and just do a look because I've been practicing in my makeup for, you know, on and off about 3-4 months solid, not in a row. Okay, you can follow me on Instagram, my makeup Instagram. Yeah, so let's get started. Why not? Let's start with these dirty eyebrows. I am going to go in with this NYX pencil because it's literally all I have. I usually use the color brunette for like my everyday when I'm going outside, but since we on a video and I'm being extra and it's my first video, let's use espresso. I'm thinking about getting the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. Don't mind my brows because I gotta get them waxed. Right now I'm moving into an apartment, so I'm trying to save my money, but once I finish getting squared away in the next state to my new apartment, we gonna get these brows waxed. Don't trip, just work with me. Am I ashy? Don't trip, don't trip. And I kind of like to round my eyebrows out, even though I know people like them pointy eyebrows. It just don't look right on my face. It make me look mean, because I already look mean on a day-to-day basis when I'm walking around. And I think when you make your eyebrows all pointy, what the hell am I doing? When you make your eyebrows all pointy, it messes up the whole look. Okay, so we're gonna have to start over because I done messed up my brows talking and running my mouth, and I'm trying to watch a little hip hop. Like I said, when you make your brows all pointy and stuff, because my face is kind of like, I have high cheekbones, you know, I don't really smile that much when I'm walking around, so it just makes me look like, yeah. So, made me look like I want to fight somebody when I really don't. Excuse my skin, it's that time of the month, so I'm a little bubbly in the face. So we're gonna go in with the lighter pencil at the base. Excuse my pimple. I have like a bump under there. It's not an actual pimple, but it's just a natural bump that's been under there for years that I had to go over. So excuse that. But no, I'm excited about moving back to Chicago. If you don't follow my vlog channel so you can be updated on my life story and how a mess my life is right now. I'm low-key going through a midlife crisis, but you know, I'm smiling through it. I don't know why. If you want to stay updated on my, you know, midlife crisis, even though I'm only 25. Quarter life. My best friend Jayla called it a quarter life crisis. She said, Vivian, you're going through a quarter life crisis. And you know what? She's right, because that's exactly what I'm going through. Quarter life crisis. Wow. So I'm gonna set my face, like cover up my black spots. So I use MAC's Pure Orange Concealer. I know this is super orange, but it's the only one that really works for me. I have another one. I should try to use this new one from Makeup Revolution. It was only like $5. This one was like 18. Yeah, I'm gonna try this one. We're gonna do something new today. We cover up all my dark spots. This is what I do. And spread this around. Use one of my little AliExpress brushes, because I tried using a sponge with this method and it just takes all my concealer away. I ain't got time for all that. Plus this concealer is more so water based. So like with water based stuff, I'll try to use a brush over a sponge, because obviously the water is gonna get soaked into the sponge, which means majority of the product is gonna be left in the sponge and not on your face, which means you're gonna be wasting money. And one thing I don't like is to waste money. But no, back to Chicago. I'm excited about moving back. Like, so many people fight to move out of Chicago, but I'm ready to see my grandmother, you know. The only good reason to move back to Chicago is literally family. Girl, if you got the opportunity to go, leave. Like, go about your day, find new opportunities. I've been traveling this whole country for the past 7 years since I graduated high school, and I've enjoyed every inch. But now it's just time for me to make my way back, you know, get back to the basics, my roots, as the Chicago folks say. I usually go in with a powder. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier. So I usually just go in with this, pat, 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 pat. So we have that set, so it won't smudge and smear when you put your foundation on. You know what I'm gonna do? I have the classic MAC Dark Deep. Don't judge me, I use MAC products. I am in the process of transitioning into other products, because right now I am poor, or on a budget, as most millennials say. We're gonna go in with the Trusty Dusty Dark Deep and just try to get rid of that white. Shape up my brows, shape up my brow. I did the brows, finished my other brows. They're not twins, but they'll work. They'll do. So I'm gonna go in and put some concealer, that same concealer I used on my brow, on my eyelid. I'm gonna set it with that Laura Mercier. I finally heard, because I went on there on Sephora and checked. Sephora has the Laura Mercier in a darker color. I'm probably really late, but I'm really excited. So I'm probably gonna buy that one instead of the white one, because if it works just the same, then I'll use that instead to set my face. Because that white, it be looking a little chalky, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's pick out some eyeshadows. I'm gonna use the Nubian palette to start out with. Going with the color that matches my skin the most to set my base. I'm gonna use a Sigma brush, the E40. I need to get me some more of these because I've been having this since high school and it still ain't broke. Okay, start off in the edge and fan it out. But no, today has been up and down. They said they was gonna call me about that apartment, but they probably closed at this point, so they probably tell me tomorrow if I officially got the apartment. If not, if I officially don't have the apartment, it's fine anyway, because I'm still going back to Chicago. I'm gonna stay with my grandma for about 2 weeks until I figure out like what I want to do. This will be my first apartment at 25. Yes, I'm a grown woman that ain't never had no apartment before, because when the way my life worked out, I didn't need one. I've been in school, undergrad. Okay, let's start from high school. So high school, I graduated, right? I was confused at first because back in high school I wasn't motivated. Like, I was very stupid. I was not motivated at all. I had a 2 GPA, and it was not, let me be honest with y'all, I had a 2.4 GPA graduated high school. I really wasn't smart at all. I was smart, but I didn't apply myself because I don't know, I wasn't motivated, and high school was like one of the worst times of my life. Graduated high school, went to Western Illinois University. I really wasn't feeling that, so I left, decided to go home, went to community college, South Suburban College, if for my Midwestern Illinois folks, that y'all know what that is. Went to South Suburban for about 2 semesters. I went for the spring and the summer until I got into Hampton, the illustrious Hampton University. Okay, the best HBCU in the nation, regardless of what those top 10 lists have to say. And I said what I said. I went there. I figured out what my goals are. And I told myself, I said, you know what? Buckle down and focus in. And I graduated Hampton with honors. I graduated with 3.0. I ain't never seen no 3.0 on the GPA on my report card, transcripts in my life. When I tell you I was in there studying, like studying, I was studying. So I graduated with 3.0. For some people that may be low, for some people that may be high, but for me it was amazing, and I felt blessed, and I figured it out. Like, I did it for myself. And I was so proud. I had my little green cord around my neck walking across the stage. I was proud, period. So I added a little bit of orange to the top of my eye. But what I'm going to do is go into the corner with a little bit of this dark brown. I'm going to smudge that in. I haven't done this makeup look in so long. So don't judge me. If you downvote me, I'll understand. But sis, don't do that. That's not nice. I use this brown color right there. I'm going to use this brush from BH Cosmetics. And my camera's bomb. It just zoomed right in. Boom. Zoom back out. Boom. Zoom back in. I'm going to go in and just blend that in. I'm going to add a pretty color, a pretty little glitter by hand on my eyelid. And we're going to smudge that out real good. Because I've done this look in the past, and it's on my channel, my page. But I did it, and it was so pretty. And it's just so popped right now. And I can't figure out why I did it. What happened? I don't know what happened. I don't know. So I'm going to be cheapy to cheapskate and use 360 and 355 of Fit Me, which is like the universal YouTube girl foundation. And I mix those two together because I really don't understand my skin tone and color, so I just try to finesse it. Honestly, I don't. I just go with what kind of looks okay, and if my mama tell me I look ashy, I just won't use that color no more. That's usually what I do. That's my process. And I'm gonna go in with my Sephora flat top kabuki, and we're gonna brush this, blend this right on in. I have to respond to this text message before I forget. I'm not feeling this makeup look. I want to know how Jackie be looking so flawless. Like, I don't understand. Maybe I gotta keep doing makeup, but I just don't get it. Excuse my neck color compared to my face color, because this is a mess. Okay, so I'm trying new products. I'm gonna try my Age Instant Rewind. They start making these in colors. They finally start making these in colors that that blend with black girl skin colors. So at first they only had 3 colors, and it was white, light, and bright. Okay, it didn't make sense for me. We gonna go heavy. I got some bags, baby. Now my forehead is a little big, like it's like a rectangle. So I try not to draw too much attention to it. I don't highlight in the center. I just contour it and leave it at that. I'm keeping it cute. My Cupid's bow, I have a cute one, so I really only put highlight on it, and my nose is already sharp and precise, so I'll just put a little on there. I don't really need that much, and I can just go in with my finger like this, just to give it some more definition. I blended the cheek parts in. You missed that because my camera got hot, but I'm gonna try my best to blend it in down here too. And what I used was, because it's about to dry out, I used the Makeup Revolution in the color C18. So let's go ahead and, ooh Lord, blend that out, because it's my first time using it. Ooh Lord, Jesus, it's too dark. And it's drying up, girl. Okay, wait. Hold on. This is about to be, I'm gonna label this the worst makeup tutorial on YouTube ever, and then we're gonna leave it at that. So for this Makeup Revolution concealer, yeah, you're gonna need to do it right away. Yep, that's what I gotta do. Do it right away. Blend that in right away, because you can't wait with this. Okay, you gotta hurry up. Girl, look at that, it's just stuck right there. Wow, it's too dark for me. I thought I was dark skinned. Like, who am I? I don't even know my own shade. Do I even recognize my own skin color? What's wrong with me? Try to do some surgery on this face right quick. Okay, so we're gonna go in with our tweezers, Kelly and Beyonce. So I put the lashes on, and I am using I'm just using everything MAC today. I'm so techy. I'm using MAC Cork lip liner. I love that. And this is the same brush I use for that dark corner in my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with, ooh, I gotta get over it, MAC again, in the color taupe, right? And I'm gonna go in with this Ruby Kisses in the color Brown Sugar, it's like an ashier brown. It just makes it, you know, more dramatic. Go in with this CoverGirl Queen Collection. It's like a bronze, and it's in the color Ebony Bronze. And give my face a little bit more definition, just a little bit. Not gonna overdo it. Just to set that darkness back into my skin. The last and final step is the Jackie Aina. I almost say Jackie. The Artist Couture in the color LeBronze. My Sigma highlighting brush. Go in, get a little bit, because with this you only need a little. You do not need a lot, sis.
I really want to go home. I'm done. I'm ready. I make sure they all over the place. You had this lip syncing for her life. It's no shame. I'm not sure if you know sis, but you started a whole stand war on Twitter. The girls were trying to come for you. I'm just like, let's not even talk about that at this point. And speaking about the rest of your face, let me just go ahead and get on Yes Jules' ass, and I like to call her No Jules. Juliana, racist down, Juliana, bitch, not bust down, you know, not twerk down. Tatiana is racist down, Juliana. And you know what? First, I'm gonna start with some of these black men. Let me start with y'all.
All right, this is the final look, child. slapped together. I look like somebody though. This is just for fun, just to throw on my channel. It's not to be taken seriously. I'm not a professional by far, but it's just for fun, just to step back into the world of YouTube again and get my foot back where it was. You know, it's probably gonna be my first video because the other videos I deleted. So yeah, if you like what you saw, you probably did it, but if you're curious and want to see more, girl, go ahead, hit that button. You know what I'm saying? Like, leave a comment, say hey. Bye, y'all.